For the outdoorsman, there's nothing better than Champion power equipment. Generators, inverters, winches, water pumps, log splitters. Anything you need to give you an extra hand, provide some reliable power, or get you out of a jam in a moment's notice. Champion generators are perfect for taking on trips or giving you peace of mind with home standby backup power. Our winches give you all the pulling power you need. And our water pumps and log splitters are the reliable tools you need to get the job done. The Champion Power Equipment family of products. Power, dependability, and peace of mind.